It's Sandra, and today I am going to show you what I'm going to give away for February. So the person who won January's giveaway did not collect their stuff. So I am going to give away that stuff again. So again, I'm going to go over this one more time. We have the Halloween Monocle stamper, and that was from the Halloween box from Maniology last October. I'm going to give away this CADS plate, and it has to do with Christmas, but it also has some snow stuff on there, and that's Christmas 046. I'm going to give away this snowflake plate from Chic, and then I'm going to add one more thing to the pile, and this is a Maniology plate, and it's M181, and it's a Valentine plate, so appropriately themed. So unfortunately you won't get it before Valentine's Day, but at least it's in the same month. So what you have to do is you have to subscribe to my channel. You have to put in the comments, enter me, or enter however you want to do it. And it all has to be done before February 28th, on or before February 28th, 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Then once I pick a winner, which will be that Friday or the next day, Saturday, then that person, whoever wins, will email me and give me their mailing address, and I will pop this stuff in the mail. And my email address is nailstampology@gmail.com. And if you're out of the country, I will not ship to you unless it's Canada. So I've had no problems with Canada. I have had problems with other countries. So to enter or to win, you have to be a U.S. Live in the U.S. so I can ship to the U.S. or Canada. So good luck to everybody, and don't forget, you have to subscribe. And if you are not a subscriber and I pick you and I look and you're not a subscriber, then I just go on to the next person. So make sure you subscribe. So good luck to everyone, and thanks for watching.